Let us understand the divisibility rule of 8. For a number to be divisible by 8, we follow simple rule. Look at the last 3 digits of that particular number. If the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. For example, if we take the number as a 3168, here the last 3 digits of this particular number are 168. Now clearly 168 is divisible by 8 and we get the answer as 21. Since 168 is divisible by 8, therefore the number 3168 is also divisible by 8. Let us take another example. 4056. Here, the last 3 digits are 056. Now, 056 is simply 56 and we know 56 comes in the table of 8 as 8 sevens is 56. Since 56 is divisible by 8, therefore, we can say 4056 is also divisible by 8. Let us take another example, say 8142. Now, here 8142, the last 3 digits are 142 and 142 is not divisible by 8. We can say when we find out through wall method, 142 will not be divisible by 8. Therefore, the number 8142 will also not be divisible by 8. Now, it is a very handy rule. It is a very useful rule when we have to find the divisibility of 8 for bigger numbers. If we have to look for bigger numbers, larger numbers. I hope this concept is clear. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.